Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel. Or welcome back if you've been here before. Where makeup is a passion, and so is fashion. Today I'm doing a little haul, a mini haul on Makeup Geek and they sale that they had, and also on Juicy Couture fragrance that I bought for my mom and for her anniversary, as well as my dad's for his anniversary, for their anniversary rather. So let's start off with the Makeup Geek. Now, Makeup Geek was having a sale. They're getting rid of everything that they have. I guess they're getting ready to relaunch some brand new makeup. So they're trying to get rid of everything else that they had. So everything here was $1. Now these here comes with these. So all these here are like $1 because it comes with the case itself. So let's see here. So normally it would come in the case, but you have to put it in yourself. So that's $1 for that. So let's watch this. That's so pretty. And that's what it looks like. And what's the name of this color? A blaze. Make sure I can get that better. A blaze. That's a pretty color. And this is a highlighter. Yeah, it's a very pretty color. I'm just gonna set it in there. I already have it open. And that's how it goes. Goes slips into there. Alright, getting it dirty. Alright, so I bought a bronzer. And this is Tawny. And this how it looks. Very pretty. Alright, the next one I have here is Firework. And this is a highlighter also. Let's see if I can open it with just one hand. And I'm trying with one hand. Let's see if it can be successful. There we go. Let's see how this one looks. Very pretty. That's how it looks. And this is once again a highlighter by Work. Trying to break it before I can even get it in there. And let's just set it off in the case. Like I said, the whole thing, $1. Everything was $1. So I bought 7 things for $7 each. Now the one thing I can't figure out what I bought it for, I guess I really wasn't reading it the way that I should have. And this was the eyebrow pencil. Let's see, let's make sure. Yeah, the eyebrow pencil, and it's in auburn, which is basically for blondes. I have no idea what I was thinking when I bought it. I didn't realize it until after I had purchased it that I had bought something that was more for blondes. So I'm gonna figure a way to use it or give it away. And I had no blondes, so I'm gonna have to figure a way to use it. All right. So the next one that we have here is Ignite, and it's also a highlighter. Let's see how this one looks. Don't want to break it. And this how that one looks. They all basically look almost the same to me. Once again, this is Ignite, and it's a highlighter. Let's put it into the case. I don't see why they just didn't do this themselves instead of making me have to do this. So, okay, the next one is another bronzer. And this one's called Chestnut. Like I said, it's a bronzer. So let's see about opening it. So let's see here. I don't know if you guys can hear my son. He's playing a video game. So he's being kind of loud. You know how males are when they playing a game against another male. They act that male parado. Okay, let's see if I can get this out. Okay. Trying here with one hand. Oh my, that just did something to my silk. Alright. This one's gonna be too dark. It's going to be too dark for me. I can make it work. Probably use it as a what do you call it? Contour. Okay. This. Alright, and the last one here, this one does not come with a case. And this is the eyeshadow. And this one is Hot Tamale. I'm not going to even bother to open it because I don't have anything to put it into. Alright, now moving on to the perfumes. As you can see, I have two here. This one is my mom's, so I'm going to leave it as is. Because it lets me know which one is which. Because hers is not open. And mine is open. Hers still has the protective plastic in it that came in it. I took mine out because I opened mine. So let's move it over here so we can see what it looks like. So it comes with a main bottle, and this one is the Viva La Juicy what do you call it? Sucri? Sucri? I don't know how to say it, but it means sugar. French for sugar. So let's open this. Take it out. See if I can take it out with one hand. That's gonna be right. No, but this is how it looks. Isn't that so pretty? And it comes with two perfume okay, two perfume bottles that you can travel with. This one is also is a miniature of this one, and then this one is just the Viva La Juicy, the original scent. So basically, you can travel with these two, or put them in your purse if you need a little scent, which I'm gonna do because I'm gonna put them in my purse. And then this one is for at home. See if I can't get it out. Oh, it's in there. Cause I got it out before, but I used both hands. But that is how it looks. Isn't that pretty? Let's see here. How many ounces is this? Alright. The Viva La Juicy Circuit, or whatever it's called, is 3.4 floor ounces. The miniature one for the travel spray is 0.33 floor ounces. And then the Viva La Juicy one is 0.33 floor ounces. And these normally go for like I think it's like $162. But I bought two, so I was able the company that I bought them from only had two left. And I knew that if I was gonna buy my mom one, I wanted one as well. So I offered them a pretty good deal on it, and what they said to me was, "Sure, why not?" And so I was like, "Okay, that's a very good deal." I was able to talk them down very low. Like I said, these go for like 100 and something. I can't remember how much I actually paid for them, but I was able to get them at a great deal because I was buying the last two they had. But these are so cute. And then lately, for the last 3 years, that I've been buying my mom perfume on special occasions, like for her birthday, Mother's Day, or her anniversary. I've been buying her um what do you call them, kitschy type perfume bottles. Something that even if she finished using the perfume, she can still decorate her boudoir with the perfume bottles itself without the perfumes no longer being in there. And I think this is very lovely. So I do the same thing. I keep the bottles. Well, I'm not. I only have one perfume that I'm empty on the bottle. Well, like I only have like one more squirt on the bottle. That's with the Juice Couture, Couture. And I have so many Juice Couture, because I went crazy buying them. So just in case, like, got bought back up to the back up to the back up to the back up, and bigger bottles, and I kept going bigger and bigger and bigger. I went from 1 ounce to what it was 2.7 ounce to 3.4 ounce, and then another 3.4 ounce for limited edition one. So even if I throw one out, I still got the rest of them for decoration. But yeah, that's like the only one that I didn't hit the low amount on with one squirt left to go. And I have so many other different designer perfumes also, but I'm like a Juicy Couture girl at heart. So, and like I said, that's my mom's, and that is mine. Okay, so for my dad, I bought him something simple. He's not really a cologne type guy. Cause like when I was growing up, him and I both had this real bad thing towards cologne, where we would get sick to our stomach from it and get dizzy and headaches from cologne and stuff. So for me, when I started getting back into perfumes after I got married, well, I was getting back into perfumes as a teenager, but I had to be very careful with the type of perfumes that I bought because it could make me sick. With dizzy, I would get dizzy, headaches, nauseous. I mean, I would be done for the rest of the day if I came across some bad perfume or cologne. And so as I got older, I started learning that alcohol was the main ingredient in some of them, and that's what made you sick. So, like I've told my dad before, because me and him were the same, now that I can smell certain colognes and not get sick off of them, I'm pretty sure I could pick out the right amount, the right kind for him that he won't get sick off of because they have revamped cologne and perfumes nowadays where you won't get sick off of them anymore. So hopefully, because I tried it out on me, I squirt the bottle on me, and the scent lasts for 3.5 to 5.5 hours. So hopefully he doesn't get sick off of this because I didn't get sick off of it, and it smells really good. So I'm hoping that he really does like this and he will use it because he's not really a cologne type guy. He likes to be all natural. So I'm hoping that he will wear this. So here's the hoping. Well, that'll be all for today. So it depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. And God bless. Bye.